What you guys, got another video here for you on clear protection history in Windows Defender in Windows 10. Now if you use Windows Defender, the protection history is stored on there, and someone was requesting this video yesterday on how to clear it. So this is what we're going to do in this video. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to update and security. Then over on the left hand side, go to Windows security. And then when you go to virus and threat protection, inside here you'll see your protection history, and this is the area I assume that you want to clear. And there'll be, normally if you use Windows Defender, I don't use Windows Defender, but there should be a bunch of information inside here where you want to clear. And obviously I don't know why they didn't put a simple clear history here. I don't know. So what we'll do is I'll show you how you can remove this in a couple of methods. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. So let's go ahead with the first method. Now there is a couple of other things you can do to clear this as well, but we'll just keep it to 2 in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to first go to the search box here and type Event Viewer. Or you can just type Event and then click on Event Viewer. This will open up the Event Viewer. And then what we want to do here is we want to go to Application and Services Logs. So click on there. Give it time to populate. It will populate a little arrow. There you go. Then drop the arrow down. Then go to Microsoft. Then drop that little arrow down. Then go to Windows. And then on the right hand pane inside the Windows folder you should see Windows Defender. If I can find it, it's in here somewhere. There it is, I see it. So click on Windows Defender and open that up, and you should see the 2 inside Windows Defender here. You can open this up as well. We'll just right click and open this one, and on the left where the folder is, go down to where the folder is. You should see Windows Defender there. Right click on the file and you should see clear log, and there's a bunch of other stuff inside here like disable log. If you want to disable it, there's clear log, and there's a bunch of other stuff in there. I wouldn't advise you to disable it because you won't get no information, but if you want to save and clear that log, you can actually save and clear it by clicking on this button, or you can just hit clear and it will clear all of the log files for Windows Defender. And that's basically it. That's basically how you can do that. Now if you want a bit more control over how that happens and whether you want to do it automated, whether you want to clear that, you can do if you've got Windows 10 Pro or above and you've got the group policy editor. Inside the group policy editor you can put a policy in there to make it remove those log files every so often. So just put in here GP edit and open up the group policy editor. This is for people with Windows 10 Pro and above, and go into where it says computer configuration, then administrative templates, then the Windows components, and then basically drill down until you see Windows Defender. Just going to pull this open a bit so you can see it. Let me expand all of this. So you should see Windows Defender Antivirus. Now once you got that, drop the little arrow down and then look for Scan, and then on the right hand pane here you want to look for Turn on Removal of Items from Scan History folder, and you can see here this policy setting defines the number of days items should be kept, and you can read through there at your own leisure, but basically you enable this policy and put in the amount of days that you want the logs to stay on the computer, and then it will automatically remove them. So you can see here if you set it for 0 it will keep them forever, but if you say put 5 it will delete them after 5 days, or so on. And then just apply that and pretty much you've got that set in stone, and you don't have to keep going back to the event viewer to remove all that. Anyway, that's just going to be about it for this video. Hope this one's been useful. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for the video requests. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification button and click all to be notified when we upload new videos.